Yes, a very good morning, students. So now take out your maths book and maths copy also. Yes, and today we will start chapter 6. Chapter 6 name is factor and multiples. Right? So now take out your maths book and now open the page number 88 in your book. And now take out your maths copy also. Yes. So do this work in your fair copy, right? Yes. So now today I will explain what is factor and what is multiple. Yes. So what is the meaning of factor? Factor are those number which divides the given number exactly without leaving remainder. Factors are those number which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. Or when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the number. Right? Suppose example is example is 4 is a factor of 16. Right? Example is 4 is a factor of 16. What is the meaning of this question? 4 is a factor of 16 means 4 16 का factor है. So how can you say 4 is a factor of 16 or 4 is not a factor of 16? So now we check divide. If we divide 16 divided by 4, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Right? 4 fours are 16. Now we subtract 16 from 16. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? So it means when a number divides any other number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor. It means there is no remainder. Right? Remainder is 0, then question is a factor of that number. It means 4 is a factor of 16. Yes, 4 is a factor of 16. Now take another example. Is 9 is a factor of 63. Now we check if we divide 63 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54 and 9 sevens are 63. Exactly divisible. Right? So 9 sevens are 63. Now we subtract 63 from 63. 3 3 0. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 6 minus 6 is 0. It means yes, 9 is a factor of 63 because there is no remainder. Right? Now take another example. Is 12 is a factor of 37. Is 12 is a factor of 37. Now we check, we divide 37 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36 and there is 37 and 12 fours are 48. 48 is greater than 37 and 36 is less than 37. Right? So 12 threes are 36. We write 36. Now we subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Right? 3 minus 3 is 0. So is 12 is a factor of 37? No, because there is remainder, right? So is 12 is a factor of 37? No. 12 is not a factor of 37. Yes. Now we explain another example. If we check, suppose we check 2 is a factor of 12. Suppose we have 12 balls. We have 12 balls. We have 12 balls. Then first thing is, now let us take a pair of 2, because we check 2 is a factor of 12, right? Now make 2 is factor of 2. So there is first group, there is second group, there is third group, and there is fourth group, there is fifth group, and there is sixth group. Now there is 6 group and each group has 2 balls. No one is left, right? If there is no remainder and there is no remainder and there is no left ball, right? Here no ball is left, so it means yes, 2 is a factor of 12. If we check 3 is a factor of 12. Suppose we have 12 balls. Now first thing, we make group of 3. So first group, second group, third group, we make group of 3. How many ball is left? No, there is no ball left. It means yes, 3 is a factor of 12, right? Yes. So thank you so much class, and have a nice day.